Welcome back. So I'm very excited. We are going to start cleaning. Yeah, no crafting, just cleaning today. So I bought a respirator to clean the shed. I mean, who knows, the last time it's been swept, so I didn't want to breathe in anything that was like gross. But I was looking at the box here and you could see it's very stylish, right? But his eyes are really dirty. But he's wearing safety glasses over his hard hat. Isn't that what the safety glasses are for? Am I overthinking it? Yes. All right, well, let's get suited up and let's go start. Everybody, please note that no cameras were harmed in the making of this video. Oh! What? That wasn't good? It was at this point that I realized I had made a pretty huge mistake. I'm coming back! Okay. Well, that like sort of worked. Not really though. Shoot. Okay, so we got the first 2 layers of the floor done. So I wanted to bring some things in to the shed to start maybe doing some like floor planning. So I brought in my sewing desk and some objects that represent the crafting desktop that I was using. And holy cow, they take up no space in this thing. So I have a lot of space to play with now. So I have like a lot of planning I need to do. Suddenly I have so much space and I don't know what to do with it. I think it's time to start the last paint layer of the floor. So let's do it. You see this? This is my broomstick. What am I doing? Birds. Let's go and shut the window, shall we? So the birds are having a little chat. I'm not gonna be a part of that. It's a little quieter by like 2%. Okay, so as you can see, this is looking a lot better. Yeah, I mean, it still has a long way to go, but the floor is done. It has been cleaned. It's got all of the gaps are filled. Literally, the next thing is the walls. Insulation, and then the paneling, and then I think paint. Yeah, it's gonna be really exciting. Anyway, okay, well thank you so much for watching this non-spooky video. We'll see, I'm gonna call this video Watch Me Clean, and be happy you don't have to be here for it. So if you've enjoyed watching me clean, go ahead and leave a like, and if you would like to see less of me clean in the future, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys around.